30th of March, and today we're in Kenilworth.
Ooh.
So we're doing a small circular walk around the back of Kenilworth Castle. We're going to find some geocaches, and then likewise as well we're going to admire Kenilworth Castle, which is directly over there. So 30th of March, and we've got glorious sunshine. We're making the most of it. It's supposed to be hitting 21 degrees today.
Quite warm. I might have to take my fleece off.
Da, 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 da. Get your fleece off. Get your fleece off. So we're walking away from the castle. Looks grand from here, doesn't it? Mia. If you'd stood here 400 years ago, you would have looked across a great expanse of water. This is the site of the Mere, or Great Pool. This was an artificial lake created by the Clinton family in the 13th century. And they dammed two streams. Shame it's not a lake here now, that would have been nice, wouldn't it?
Not for us trying to get across.
True. The fleece is off. It's getting warm. I have to take mine off. Exciting times. So we're 3/4 of a mile away from the castle, and we can still see it in the distance. In its time, over 900 years ago, must have looked amazing. We'll find a geocache. We need to figure out where it's hidden. There's a little bit of a brook, follow a lane. She has the GPS, which will tell us where the cache is hidden. Can't go on a nice walk like this without finding the occasional geocache or two. We think there's one hidden by the brook here somewhere. It's a nice little spot. Ooh, I think here is one hidden geocache, which is microwave reheatable. Marvellous. Turned out to be a lovely circular walk. We're now heading back towards the castle. Is this your glove? So it's easy to do a circular walk around the back of the castle because you take some gorgeous countryside. More importantly, when you're heading back, you've got that for a view. The castle, as your walk is coming to the end. There are lots of people walking around in Kenilworth with just one glove on. People of Kenilworth, you have a very nice walk and a very nice castle. Yeah, through the trees. Hope you enjoyed our walk by Kenilworth Castle and the surrounding countryside. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. And we shall see you on the next vlog. Bye for now.